Hey! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, you need to access Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then install this free app by Mad Scientist developer and open it. After that, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Then choose I accept in this pop-up, and now you can adjust all of those settings however you wish to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, you need to select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Apply, and select Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen by tapping on one of those options. Now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!